Hey guys, let's talk about Tapo camera with red light. As you can see, I have a steady red light here. It's not the flashing one. So that means the camera can't connect to the internet, okay? So let me just explain here that I have my cell phone and I can check the internet. Basically, when I come here to the Wi-Fi, I can see the Wi-Fi connection, right? So if I click here, I see this is the signal from my repeater. And I have the repeater just right here. That's the one. And you see that it's not connected to power, right? And I still see that I have this other device here that's flashing back there. You see, it's trying to connect to the internet as well. So basically, my cell phone is still connected to this signal because I have more than one repeater here. I have another one in a different room, right? In a different room. And then my cell phone connects to that one. But this main one, which is connected to the router, doesn't have internet. If this one is not connected to the router or doesn't have power, it's not going to work. So basically, back here to the camera, when you see the red LED here, it's because the camera is connected to the repeater, but it still doesn't have internet. So sometimes it's a little bit confusing because you can see that I have signal here, but your device is not really connected to the internet, right? So I'm about to connect here to power, right? And then let's see what happens after that, right? So basically here, you can also use your cell phone to test the internet and really check if you don't have internet available, but usually it's the case, right? Now I just need to wait for the device to boot up back there, my repeater, and then the camera will try to connect to the internet again, okay? Because it's different, have connection to the Wi-Fi and have connection to the internet, okay? You just need to be aware of that. Let's just wait for a while. There we go, guys. The camera just changed here the LED to green. That means now it has access to the internet, okay? So if you take a look here at my device that was flashing back there, it's no longer flashing, right? Because it's also connected to the internet right now. So that's the idea. Just need to make sure that you have internet available. Of course, you're not gonna have your disconnected like I had mine here just to show you guys basically how it works. But you can just test if you have internet. Sometimes your router is not working, so you need to reload it or you need to talk to your service provider, but basically you need to make sure that you have internet available, not just the Wi-Fi, which is different, right? You can also check here on your cell phone when you connect to the signal there, the router or the repeater, you just make sure that you have access to the internet, okay? And then if you have access to the internet, your device can also have access to the internet and you can have this status here as green, right? So now I have the camera working. Just put it here and test. I can bring the Tapo app. There we go, Tapo. And see if I can connect to my camera. I have the Tapo C200. And there we go. It's basically working pretty fine, okay? And if you have a different LED like flashing, for example, that'll be a different problem. So you can check another video that I have here about the red LED flashing that you need to reset your camera, all right? So I hope this helps. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.